We're going to practice some saccades for our vision catalyst activity today. What we're going to do is we're going to put our hand in front of our face. And I'm going to call out one of our fingers, pinky, ring finger, middle finger, index, and thumb. And what you're going to do is use your eyes and just find that finger when I call it. What you're trying to do is land your eyes directly on the target when I say the finger. So let's try it. Pinky, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, thumb. Pinky, ring, middle, index, thumb. Pinky, ring, middle, index, thumb, middle, pinky, index, thumb, pinky, thumb, pinky, thumb. You can practice this throughout the day or on restroom breaks or if you have a break in between. And it's best to use a partner when doing this so they can watch your eye movements. Again, you want your eye to hit directly on each target, and you're looking to make sure your eye doesn't bounce in between. Thank you and have a great day.